I'm on Monmouth Beach in Lyme Regis, Dorset. I'm about to start my 100-mile march against cancer. I'm going to be marching in memory of my dad, who passed away in 2019. But I'm also marching to raise money for Hospice Care, the wonderful charity that looked after Dad and our family in those terrible times. But why Lyme Regis? Well, I'm going to combine this challenge with my love of history and follow in the footsteps of my hero, James Scott, Duke of Monmouth. He began a rebellion in 1685 and he landed here in Lyme Regis on this very beach. He marched through Axminster, Taunton, Bridgewater, Glastonbury, Wells, and finally Bristol. I'm going to be following in his very footsteps in full reenactment kit, and it's starting this weekend. It's going to be hilly, it's going to be tough, it's going to be tiring, and it's going to be very, very hot. Everybody will be affected by cancer, and every penny helps. If you can donate anything to this wonderful charity, it would be very much appreciated. Links in the description below. Wish me luck. Thank you very much.